How to advertise services on Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can advertise services on your Facebook Marketplace. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to advertise services on Facebook Marketplace, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the Facebook application. Once you launch the Facebook app, you want to simply come to the marketplace icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the marketplace icon over here, just tap on the sell option. Now, whether you're trying to sell an item, a vehicle, or a property to sell for rent, or maybe you're just trying to sell a service, maybe you provide subscriptions to someone, and maybe that kind of service is what you want to advertise, you can just tap on add photos. You can add the photos related to your service here, and once you've done that, you can also add a title about your service, the price, categories, condition, description, the tags, SKU. You can also list the availability as single item or stock item. Once done, you can just tap on the done option in order to finish the changes. This way you can advertise your services on Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.